We're almost at the start of a new season. कितनी excitement लेके आता है because we know your prep and everything, but as a captain with a new sort of setup, a newer outfit, how excited are you for this season?
Yeah, 2024 was obviously quite challenging as a group. Things, a lot of learning came out of it.
आपने उस पूरे साल से क्या सीखा that you've implemented?
For me, it was about surviving, maybe not winning.
But let me just ask you, we're almost at the start of a new season. कितनी excitement लेके आता है because we know your prep and everything, but as a captain with a new sort of setup, a newer outfit, how excited are you for this season?
As it's been almost 11 years I played IPL. Every year you come with a new energy, new positiveness, and yeah, 2024 was obviously quite challenging as a group. Things, a lot of learning came out of it, and I think that's what we have carried forward and kind of taken the learnings which we did in 2024 and applied in 2025, and try to make assemble a team which looks very experienced. A lot of people have played a lot of cricket, and I think that is very exciting to come together and somehow manage it in a way where we are playing our best cricket, because I think that is something if this team does, we'll have very good days.
When you look at the history, Mumbai Indians का हम history उठा के देखते हैं, there have been great seasons, there have been seasons where there have been lows, लेकिन टीम ने हमेशा bounce back किया है. It's also similar with most cricketers जो इतना लंबा cricket खेलते हैं, and 2024 was that sort of a year for you. And I remember having a chat in Barbados, which was such an emotional moment, such an incredible moment. Once again, from all Indian fans, thank you for that, champion. Just brilliant comeback. आपने उस पूरे साल से क्या सीखा that you've implemented, जो तौर तरीके खेलने के हैं, mindset के हों, life के हों, what are the learnings that you're taking forward?
I mean, it's always about कि आप when you don't leave the battlefield. For me, it was about surviving, maybe not winning. That year was a year where for the longest time I had to hold my ground, not leave the battlefield, and which was the ground. I realized that how everything was panning out, that cricket is something which is going to be my best friend, and he's going to get me out of it. I kept pushing, and I think when all the hard work and everything kind of came, I don't think I wouldn't be able to write a script which it turned out to be in my life. That 6 months of my phase where winning the World Cup and coming back and getting the kind of love we got. I think it was a completely 360 turnaround for me, and I think cricket was something which I knew that if I be persistent, if I be honest to my work, if I be really, hardworking, I think I'll be able to come out of this. But when I didn't know, as exactly said, it was written in the script by the God, where it turned out to be 2.5 months.